torturing my already knackered door closer. Just thought I'd do it for laughs. Broke it already, did you see that? That went from fucking closing speed to fucking breaker within 2 seconds. We're gonna get a bit of that action. Nope. Completely fucked it. I think that's that gone for the count, I think. Hang on. Is that out for the count? Yeah. Broke it instantly. This is a laugh even more. Oh, that big fucking. I ripped my door handle off now. Oh dear. I've ripped my fucking door handle off. I'm that strong, I've ripped my door handle off. Oh. Just put my door handle back on a minute. Oh shit. How the fuck did that happen? Come off. Oh dear. Let's just put some stronger screws in my door just so I can get out of my room. I can't believe I broke that instantly. It was literally out for the fucking count, the poor thing. It really was. Oh, fuck off. Screw's too big. Now I'm stuck in my room. That'll be alright. Should be okay. I can't believe I ripped my door handle off. Let's have another laugh. This is what a lot of people do to door closers. Oh dear. It's got no oil in it, I don't think, at all. Can you hear that? It's fucking leaking oil. Try and do it without taking the door handle off this time. Oh dear. the door at the same, I'll wake him up. Oh shit. Let's just see if I pull the arm all the way back this way.